It really does. I found that absolutely fascinating when I.
Master English before 2026 with our channel.
Okay, Ben. It is Saturday morning. It is raining outside again. We have nowhere to go. Do you know what that means?
It means we can stay in our pajamas all day?
No. Well, yes, but it also means it is the perfect day for baking. I want to make a cake, a lemon cake, something bright and sunny to cheer us up.
That sounds like a good plan. I am happy to be the taste tester. Where do we start?
We need the recipe book. It is on the top shelf of the pantry. Can you reach it? It is the green one with the broken spine.
I am stretching up on my tiptoes. Got it. Wow, this book is dusty. I need to blow on it. A cloud of gray dust just flew into the air.
Open it carefully. The pages are old. Find the cake section.
I'm flipping through the pages. They feel soft, like old fabric. Look at these stains, Anna. There are brown spots on the pages. Coffee stains? Or chocolate stains?
That is a sign of a good cookbook. It means it was used a lot. Here it is, page 42, Grandma's Lemon Yogurt Cake. Okay, before we touch anything, we need our uniforms.
Uniforms?
Yes, aprons. I don't want flour all over my pajamas. Here is the blue striped one for you.
Okay, I'm putting the loop over my head. Now I have to tie the strings behind my back. This is always the hard part. I can't see what I'm doing.
Turn around, I will help you. I am tying a bow, pulling it tight. There, you look like a professional baker.
I feel very official. Okay, Chef Anna, read the list of ingredients to me. I will gather them from the cupboards.
Okay, the first thing is dry ingredients. We need all-purpose flour.
That is in the big glass jar on the counter already. It is very heavy. I have to use 2 hands to move it. Listen to the sound it makes on the wood. It is a solid sound.
Next, sugar. White granulated sugar.
That is in the pantry. I'm grabbing the paper bag. It feels gritty. I can feel the little sugar crystals through the paper. I'm putting it next to the flour.
Now, the wet ingredients. We need butter. Cold butter.
I'm going to the fridge, opening the door. The cold air rushes out. Here is the butter. It's wrapped in shiny silver foil.
Feel it, Ben. Is it hard?
Yes, it is rock hard. It is freezing cold. I will put it on the counter to soften up a little bit.
Next, we need eggs. 3 large eggs.
I have the cardboard carton. I'm opening the lid carefully. I always worry I will drop them. Okay, 3 brown eggs. They feel cool and smooth in my hand.
And finally, the stars of the show, lemons. 2 bright yellow lemons.
They're in the fruit bowl. Here, catch.
I caught it. Scratch the skin a little bit with your fingernail, just a tiny scratch.
Okay, I scratched it. Oh, wow, the smell is instant. It smells sharp and zesty. It wakes up my nose.
Okay, we have the flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and lemons. The game is all here. Are you ready to get your hands dirty?
I am ready. Let's make a mess.
Okay, we have the big blue ceramic bowl. It is heavy and wide. This is our mixing station. Ben, you are in charge of the dry ingredients. That means the flour and the salt.
I am ready. I have the metal measuring cup. It says 1 cup on the handle. I am dipping it into the big jar of flour. Dig, dig, dig. I am scooping up a mountain of white powder.
Wait, that is too much. It is heaping over the top. You have to level it. Take the flat side of a knife, slide it across the top of the cup. Scrape.
Okay, I scraped the extra flour off. Now the top is perfectly flat. I am dumping it into the sieve. We have to sift it, right?
Yes, sifting makes the cake light like a cloud. Shake the sieve, Ben. Tap it against your hand. Tap, tap, tap.
Look at the flour falling through the mesh. It looks like snow. It is covering the bottom of the bowl. A little cloud of white dust just puffed up in my face. I think I inhaled some flour.
You have flour on your nose. You look like a ghost. Okay, the flour is done. Now, the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, we need to mix the butter and sugar. This is the hard work.
The butter is a little softer now. I am poking it with my finger. Yes, it leaves a dent. It is ready. I am dropping the yellow block into the bowl. Plop.
Now, pour the sugar on top of it. Listen to the sound of the sugar hitting the bowl.
Shh. It sounds like rain on a tin roof. Okay, the sugar is burying the butter. Now what?
Now we cream them together. Take the wooden spoon. You have to smash the butter into the sugar. Use your muscles, Ben. Press down hard.
This is hard. The butter is still stiff. I am mashing it. Squish, squish. It feels like mixing wet sand.
Keep going. It will change color. Right now, it is dark yellow and grainy. Soon, it will be pale yellow and fluffy. Mix faster.
My arm is hurting. My shoulder is burning. Okay, it is changing. It looks like frosting now. It is smooth.
Perfect. Now we add the eggs, one at a time. Do you know how to crack an egg with one hand?
No, I am not a TV chef. I use two hands. I am holding the egg. I am tapping it on the edge of the bowl. Crack. Okay, I see a line in the shell.
Be careful. Don't let any shell fall in. Pull the shell apart.
I am pulling. Gloop. The egg fell in. The yolk is bright orange. And phew, no shell pieces. It was a clean break.
Good job. Stir that egg in. It looks slimy at first. Swirl it around. Slosh, slosh. Now it is disappearing into the batter.
Okay, egg number 2. Crack. Plop. Mix, mix, mix. The batter is getting more liquid now. It is easier to stir.
And egg number 3, the final egg. Crack. Okay, now look at the batter, Ben. It is rich and golden.
It looks delicious already. Can I eat it?
No, raw eggs can make you sick. Wait for the cake. Now for the flavor, the lemons. Grab the grater. It is the metal tool with tiny sharp holes.
I have it. It feels like a rough file. I am holding the lemon in my right hand. I am rubbing the yellow skin against the metal. Scrape, scrape, scrape.
Look at what is falling out. Tiny yellow flakes. That is the zest. The oil is spraying into the air. Smell it now.
Wow, it is intense. It smells like summer. It smells like sunshine. The whole kitchen smells like a lemon tree. My fingers are covered in lemon oil.
Okay, dump all that zest into the bowl. And finally, we mix the wet and the dry together. Pour the flour in, Ben. Do it slowly so we don't make another dust cloud.
I am pouring gently. Now fold it in. Folding means turning the spoon over and over. Gentle, gentle. The white flour is disappearing into the yellow butter.
Stop. Don't overmix. If you mix too much, the cake will be tough like rubber, just until the white streaks are gone.
Okay, I'm stopping. Look at it. It is thick. It is heavy. If I lift the spoon, the batter falls off slowly. Gloop.
That is perfect consistency. It is ready for the heat. Let's get the cake tin. The batter is ready. Now we need the cake tin. It is the rectangular metal pan. I greased it with butter earlier so the cake won't stick.
It looks shiny. Okay, I am holding the heavy bowl. I am going to pour the batter into the tin. Watch the flow, Anna.
It is moving slowly, like thick lava. Gloop, gloop. Use the rubber spatula, Ben. Scrape the sides of the bowl. We don't want to waste a single drop.
I am scraping. Squeak, squeak. The spatula cleans the bowl perfectly. Okay, the batter is in the tin. It looks a little uneven.
Shake the tin gently. Wiggle it side to side. Shimmy, shimmy. There. Now it is flat and smooth. It is ready for the fire.
The oven has been preheating for 20 minutes. It is set to 350 degrees. That is hot. Step back, Anna. I'm going to open the door.
I am stepping back. Be careful of the heat blast.
I am pulling the handle down. Creak. Whoosh. Whoa, I can feel the wave of heat. It hit me right in the face. My glasses just fogged up instantly.
You look like you're in sauna. Quick, put the cake in before we lose the heat. Use the oven mitts.
I have the big gray mitts. They look like lobster claws. I am sliding the tin onto the middle rack. Slide. Center it perfectly. Okay, closing the door. Clunk.
Set the timer, 45 minutes, and press start.
Beep, beep, beep. The countdown has begun. Now, the boring part. We have to wait, and we have to clean up this mess.
Look at this counter, Ben. It is a disaster zone. There is flour everywhere. It looks like it snowed in our kitchen.
And there are sticky eggshells and lemon skins and a mountain of dirty dishes in the sink. This is the price of delicious cake.
Let's wash the dishes while the cake bakes. If we do it now, we can relax later. I'll wash, you dry.
Deal. Turn on the water. Make it hot and soapy. Splash. Bubbles. I am grabbing the towel. Pass me the big bowl first.
Here it comes. It is slippery. Scrub, scrub, scrub. I'm washing away the leftover batter. It smells like lemon soap now.
I am wiping the bowl, round and round. This towel is getting wet already. So, Anna, what do we do for 40 minutes?
We watch the oven TV.
Oven TV?
Yes, sit on the floor in front of the oven. Turn on the oven light. We can watch the cake rise. It is better than Netflix.
Okay, I'm sitting on the tiles, my knees cracked. I am turning on the light. Click. It is glowing orange inside.
Look at the batter. It is starting to bubble on the edges. That's the butter melting.
I see it. Tiny bubbles. And it's getting taller. The baking powder is working. It's magic, isn't it? You put wet goop in and a fluffy sponge comes out.
It is chemistry. Delicious chemistry. Sniff. Ben, smell the air.
I am sniffing. I still smell the lemon soap from the dishes.
Wait 5 more minutes. The smell will change. Pause. Time jump. In conversation. Okay, it has been 20 minutes. Smell it now.
Oh, yes, now I smell it. It smells like toasted sugar and warm butter. It's getting stronger every second.
It is traveling through the whole house. If we opened the window, the neighbors would be jealous. They would float over here like cartoons.
The cake is golden brown now. It has a big crack in the middle. Is that bad?
No, the crack is good. It means it rose quickly. It gives it character. It looks rustic.
Check the timer. How much longer?
5 minutes left. I'm getting hungry. My stomach is growling. Gurgle. Did you hear that?
I heard it. Be patient. We have to test it first. Find a toothpick.
A toothpick? Why?
To stab the cake. If the toothpick comes out dry, it's done. If it comes out wet, it needs more time. Get the toothpick ready, Dr. Ben. We are about to perform surgery. Beep, beep, beep. The timer goes off. It is time. Okay, I have the toothpick in my hand. I have the oven mitts on. Stand back, Anna.
I am standing back. Don't burn yourself. Open the door slowly.
Creak. Look at it. It is a beautiful golden brown color. It has risen high above the top of the tin. The smell is overwhelming now. It smells hot and sweet.
Okay, do the test. Stab it right in the middle of the crack.
I am inserting the wooden toothpick, pushing it down, now pulling it out. Let me look at it closely.
What is the verdict, doctor?
It is completely clean, not a single crumb. It is done. Okay, I am grabbing the hot tin with the mitts. Be careful, it is very heavy. I am placing it on the wire rack to cool. Clank.
Look at the steam rising from it. It is still cooking a little bit. Look at the edges of the cake. They're pulling away from the metal sides. That means it will be easy to take out.
Now comes the hardest part of the whole day. We have to wait for it to cool down. If we cut it now, it will crumble into a mess.
How long?
At least 20 minutes. We need to let the structure set.
20 minutes? That is torture. I'm going to stare at it. I'm going to use my mind power to make it cool faster.
While we wait, let's make the tea. We need something hot to drink with the hot cake. I will put the kettle on.
Time jump, 20 minutes later.
Okay, time is up. I touched the tin. It is warm, but not hot. We can tip it out now. I'm putting a plate over the top and flip.
Hold your breath. Did it stick? Lift the tin up slowly.
Suction sound. Plop. It came out perfectly.
It looks like a gold brick. Turn it right side up. Look at that top crust. It is bumpy and rough. It needs one final touch, the snow dusting.
Grab the little sieve again. Put some powdered sugar in it, hold it high above the cake, and tap it gently. Tap, tap.
It looks like fresh snow falling on a golden hill. It covers all the bumps. Now it looks elegant. It looks like we bought it at a fancy bakery.
Okay, get the bread knife, the one with the serrated edge, the saw blade. You do the honors, Anna. You are the head baker.
I'm nervous. What if the inside is raw? Here I go. I'm sawing through the crust. Crunch. Now sliding down through the soft middle. It feels very tender.
Slice cut. Now lift it out with the spatula. Look at the inside, Anna.
Oh, it is bright yellow, like a sponge. I can see the tiny little holes, and I can see the flecks of lemon zest, and steam is still rising from the slice.
Put it on the plate. Get your fork. Let's taste it together. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness. Ben, this is the best cake we have ever made.
It is moist. It is not dry at all. The crust is sugary and crunchy, but the inside is soft like a cloud.
And the lemon flavor is perfect. It's tart, it makes my mouth pucker just a little bit, but then the sugar sweetness comes in.
Take a sip of tea now. Wash it down with hot Earl Grey. That is the perfect combination.
We did it, Ben. We conquered a rainy Saturday. We turned flour and butter into happiness.
I'm going to have another slice. Don't judge me.
I'll split it with you. Pass the knife.